In a season that has been unlike any other, football is back in the state of California. High school sports are here, and we've got them for you. It has been a long time for both of these schools out on the football field right now. The St. Augustine Saints and the Helix Highlanders. They last faced each other in November 15th of 2019. Helix to return from the 5-yard line, quickly across the 30, 40, opening play of the game, and taking it all the way down the field is number 12, Christian Washington. The Highlanders are on the board. Welcome to football.
Cover down. Hey, you know it's going to be a return now. Hey, you got to know it's going to be a return. Get ready. Go left, go left, go left!
High formation, tight end left. Colmanero is going to give it to Grayson Holden. He's running right. He is a big kid, but Helix gang tackles him. And no gain on the play and a turnover on downs. The ball back to the Highlanders. Washington take 2 from his 3-yard line. Across the 20, 30, weaving through everybody, 40, look at this kid! Washington with a stiff arm and is finally tackled.
Got it! Get there! Get there! Get there! Get it! Yeah!
Presley the carry again running right. Presley, nice stutter step move, but that's just going to get him back to the line of scrimmage where he is stacked up immediately by the Helix defense.
Presley along the carry.
This is also a little bit of spring football as well, and it's going to get these guys ready for next year. Here's a nice little screen pass. Good stutter step move into the open, and a touchdown!
Got to find different ways to get that guy the ball.
Rylan Jesse's first career touchdown pass.
You got to play up to our level every single time. Again, we have a lot of guys out there. First time experience, playing underneath the lights. There's nothing like it. Hey, we even have the fans. So, again, it changes. So you younger guys, this is just a small taste of what it's going to be like. We got to finish. Hey, our expectation, we got to run the table now. Hey, we had our one. Now we got to keep going. All right, be ready to roll. Get a breakdown on Jerry. Team, buddy, team.